Now, it's pouring down. And that storm's sitting up there. Wind's open. You're writing storm, Jenny, autumn. And they have no intentions of coming in. They have been up there for ages. Ages. It's the writing that's actually sitting in the wings out. They were enjoying the fly, come down because the rain come on. Can I get them in? Can I not? Or sitting up there like drink rats. So I'm just going to leave them. What else did I do? They're up there thinking that's a sugar pine. What did I do? Throw them up a bottle of shampoo. This is something I wasn't prepared for. I thought they would have been in the hut with me. But they're probably going to sit up there till they dry off. Come on, Rians. Come on then. Come on. That's waiting pins its feet. Oh, I'm sitting here taking a shower. Stormy, you coming in? Autumn. Jenny. Come on, Regans. Hurry up. Get in the house. Come on. What the ways I can skip it. Come on, what I'm doing. That's it. They're stuck out in the rain. Wet bird today.